Beanie has released their statement about the recent video that has been circling around the internet. So, this is their statement. It reads that we know that the past couple of days have been triggering and disappointing for all of you. Sincerely, we understand where all of those feelings are coming from. The video shows a private moment of us with friends. We definitely did not intend to hurt anyone in the process. We offer no excuses for our actions, reactions, and choice of words. We take full accountability. Nagkamali kami. We deeply regret our mistake and sincerely apologize to our blooms, friends, families, and the general public. We humbly ask for a chance to reflect on and learn from our mistakes and continue to work on becoming better versions of ourselves. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit suporta at pag-unawa. And then the girls' name are on the bottom part. I honestly did not expect a statement because one thing is for sure, sa mga naging parang little controversy with Beanie noon, there wasn't any statement because it really didn't need it. And then I think this has been very big. It became very big that it needed one. Thankfully, kasi meron din, di ba, like, kasi yung track record ni Star Mo, para sa akin, sa experience ko lang, is hindi sila nagre-release ng statement or na ganito or parang like sometimes they do brush things under the rug, which mostly talaga yung mga entertainment dito or management dito sa Pinas when it comes to scandal and controversy ng kanilang talent. Um, Honestly, I'm kind of like glad that they addressed this like a day or two after the video circulated kasi I believe na the parang the anong tawag dyan? Like the more the quick you address a statement or address something, a controversy, the better it is. Pero kung may investigasyon na nangyayari, of course, it will take longer. I went through that with Mingyu rin. Like, it took a week or two for the investigation para matapos so they can fully make a full-fledged na statement. But because this case is very different, video was circulating, and it really was, like parang it was something very weird. Like no, I'm saying this as a person na ano like oh okay so, oh, weird as hell. So ako as a fan, ako mismo, I like that they apologize as ano as quick as they can, and inako nilang mali kasi there's nothing getting away from that kasi mismo na sila sa video, 'di ba? Kung hindi nila inako, that would be very that would be very bad if hindi nila inako kasi totoo mo naman. I'm just gonna say like if ibang fans rin hindi naman like ayaw na nila because of that, because if it's disappointing, it's fine. And I understand that, and take a breather, take a break if that's what you feel like you need to after seeing that. It's heartbreaking because of yun na nga yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao kasi pero yung ginagawa rin ng mga tao yung iba when the name calling, it's become harsh, and I think that's where again you draw the line kasi nga it's bad, the witch hunting, the name calling. I don't think that's fine. um Yun lang. What do you guys think? And please be civil in the comments kasi the comment section on my other video has become very weird. Tsaka parang nalihis na sa mismong conversation. It's not there anymore. So yeah, what do you guys think? And comment down below. It seems like tonight is the night that they decided to release statement about the video circulating online. So this is the statement of Ethan David or David. I'm so sorry if I am pronouncing that wrong. Because of the certain video that has been circulating on the internet for like 2 days now. And so let's read it as well. Yesterday, a video was uploaded featuring myself with a group of people. In that video, I was shown making certain crude motions as a joke towards another person, this person being Sean Castro, and laughing about it. I want to begin by saying that I take full responsibility for my actions and I sincerely apologize for the unnecessary gestures that I made. I understand how offensive my actions appeared, and as a person who wants to show only the best of myself, I let everyone down. Humihingi po ako ng kapatawaran sa mga nasaktan at na-disappoint sa akin. Nais ko pong ipahayag na malaki po ang respeto ko sa lahat ng tao, lalong-lalo na sa kababaihan. At anumang naipakita kong kamalian sa kumalat na video ay hindi po sumasalamin sa mga pinahahalagahan ko bilang tao. Hinding-hindi po ito mauulit. Once again, I sincerely apologize for what happened. I also want to thank everyone for pointing out the ways I can improve. I promise to take the time to educate myself about my behavior and further reflect on my character in order to learn from this incident and to become a more sensitive, respectful, and mature person. Ethan. I think if you've seen the video, you would understand why these are the words that they have said, including beanies. And I actually appreciate the swiftness in these statements. Akala ko nga walang lalabas. That was the bare minimum. I think this is the bare minimum that they could have given us. I guess so far na na-receive natin ng mga statement, they didn't really talk about what they were talking about, basta alam nila daw na mali. Tsaka may nasagasaan sila na not only tao but also yung um, mga kababaihan daw, which they have explored in this statement. Again, I think parang wake-up call na rin 'to sa lahat na nagjo-joke. um, Talaga kung hindi rin maganda yung group of friends mo, alam mong mali yung kanilang parang pinag-uusapan or ganito ganyan, I think it's easy to just let them go. I don't know, you guys, the older you get, the easier it is to cut off like toxic people. Alam ko even if you guys have like um pinagsamahan, you can always find out in another person a loving, a more mature one. Pero ito talaga yung parang things in life that you have to go through, which is learning things the hard way. 'Di ba? What do you guys think? Be civil in the comments down below.